Okay. As my brother was saying, this is a cocoa tree. Okay. Look at how big it is. Cocoa tree. When Tetekwashi brought cocoa beets to Ghana and it was nursed not far away from this area, it took 12 years. And later, through research, 8 years. But right now, we have 4 years. The reason why I'm able to know all this is that I'm a cocoa farmer myself. I have a cocoa farm, so I'm talking from experience. Right now, cocoa takes, you can harvest cocoa twice in a year when it's matured. It takes between 3 to 4 years for you to harvest. Depends on the land with good agronomic practices. There is this thing that shoots up in all the small pots area. Now when this is the cocoa, it starts like a flowers and it will grow a little bit like an okra.
Okay.
In the villages, typical villages, they use it as an okra and it's very slippery than okra.
There.
Thank you. Yes, that's the one over there. Okay, one over there. Now, then it will grow from there to become a bigger thing. The cocoa itself is not that green thing over there, but the cocoa, the beads in it, the seeds in it, that is the cocoa. The pots, the husk, and everything is being used for so many things. There are different uses of both traditional and then what do you call scientific use. So cocoa have been in Ghana since 1879 up to now.
And you know, so many products is coming from the cocoa. The chocolate is from the cocoa and the milk is from the cocoa. Yeah. Even the back of the cocoa can bend together with plantain and use as pomade, fertilizer, and other soaps.
Black soap can be gotten from them.
Oh,
yeah, and then we have
black soap.
Yes,
from cocoa.
Black soap. We have a liquor from cocoa.
Yeah.
We have what do you call a pomade, 3 type of pomade from cocoa. Yes.
The back of the cocoa.
Yeah, and then we have something that it's a medicine. It's traditional medicine. Okay, that they use the cocoa in curing heart disease and other things. Yeah. So cocoa itself, the government of Ghana have thrown so much weight behind the cocoa farmers. Yesterday, the guy who gave the presentation, PowerPoint presentation, made mention of cocoa. Yeah, and he said the government have voted so much money into cocoa production, and cocoa production is an area that you go and you will never lose. Yeah, if you invest just something later, within 3 to 4 years, you start harvesting, and it takes between 20 to 30 years for the trees to replant. Okay, if you want a maximum, benefit, after 20 years, you can just clear it and replant. What happens is that between 16 to 20 years, you start planting another one by the side.
Okay.
So before this one goes off, you have started benefiting from the other one. And that is what the agronomists always teach us.
And in Ghana, the place which is not suitable for planting cocoa is just only 3 regions. That is Tamale and Wa and Abais Bolaga. But the whole of in Ghana you can plant cocoa.
We have over 2,500 farmers in cocoa production. Some of them have very large farms. Yeah, very large farms. I started with just 2 acres, but we have about 10 acres land there. We started about 2 acres, and then maybe next 3 years, we just add the other one to it and add the other one to it, and that's what we plan to do. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, man. It looks like one of the pause.
Okay.